Most managers never trained to be coaches. They were promoted because they were great at their jobs, which, if you think about, is a little bit like making your best swimmer a lifeguard and just hoping for the best. But the data is pretty clear. Managers who know how to coach lead more engaged teams. So there's a gap. The issue isn't that managers don't care. It's that they're absolutely buried. Performance data over here, one-on-ones over there, 17 Slack messages asking where the Q3 deck is, and somewhere in all of that, they're supposed to be developing their people. Coaching is important, but it's rarely the thing that feels urgent at 4:45 on a Friday. In other words, it's really easy for it to fall by the wayside. That's where AI comes in. Not as a robot replacement, but more like a really well-read assistant who has already read everyone's reviews and isn't being weird about it. AI can do things like surface trends, things like performance patterns, engagement dips, stalled goals. It can give you coaching questions tailored to each employee's goals and feedback, and it can free up time by handling notes, scheduling, and all of that data wrangling. So instead of walking into your next one-on-one desperately trying to remember what you talked about last time, you can actually walk in prepared, like a human, with AI superpowers. So let's talk about what this looks like in practice. Imagine a manager who gets an AI-surfaced insight that one of their top performers hasn't taken on a stretch project in 6 months. Instead of waiting for the annual review, which, let's be honest, everyone sort of approaches like a dentist appointment, they bring it up in their next one-on-one. Where do you want to grow that we haven't made room for yet? That question changes things, and AI helped the manager ask it. And that's the difference between a boss and a coach. The rest of this article breaks down exactly how HR teams can build a coaching culture using AI. No magic wand required. Just good frameworks, the right tools, and managers who no longer have to guess. And if you somehow ended up here without the article, the link is in the description. Thank you and enjoy.